Hello, I'm Dave Lee from Hot Shop Valpo. My son Bryan and I teach the glassblowing matriculation class here at Marc School of Woodworking. This week we're teaching the matriculation class, which basically gives our students that come here with absolutely no knowledge or experience with glass an introduction to what we do as glass blowers. And throughout the week we progressively get more challenging in the things that we do, such that at the end of the week they're able to do basic glass blowing on their own and create things as far as that they can take home as art, that they can use as functional glassware and different things like that. Yeah, I think students that come here to Marc Adams, one of the things that they're looking for is diversity in the courseware. So for us, being able to introduce glass here at the Marc Adams School of Woodworking and time-honored craft gives people the opportunity to do something that they might not otherwise do. There are very few glassblowing studios around the country, so to have the opportunity to experience glassblowing here at Marc Adams School of Woodworking is pretty rare for people. So if you're interested in taking glassblowing classes here at the Marc Adams School of Woodworking and time-honored craft, or taking any of the other various classes that we have here at the school, click the link below.